Hello, Kais and Doreen. Congratulations on your wedding. I wish nothing but love, commitment, and happiness on your marriage. Kais, sana ingatan mo si Doreen bilang iyong asawa. And Doreen, sana ganun ka rin si Megan. Kasi sa buhay mag-asawa talaga, kailangan ninyong magsuportahan. Kayo talaga ang bubuo sa inyong pamilya. And that's all, guys. Congratulations and enjoy your wedding day.
To my wonderful cousin, Megan, may your wedding day be everything that you dream of and more. To Doreen, we are so happy for having you as a new member of our family. Looking forward for the day that we can get along with you in person. To the both of you, I wish you a marriage that is full of love and happiness. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Megan and Doreen. Wishing you a lifetime love, laughter, and unforgettable moments. May your days be as beautiful as the love you share. Cheers to forever.
Congratulations, Megan and Doreen, on your wedding day, and best wishes for a happy life together and more babies to come.
Congratulations.